Do you have to provide breakfast? And the answer is no. Just because it is there in the name, B&B, you're not meant to provide breakfast. Feel free to say no if someone asks. No one I personally know who has an entire property offers breakfast. When you say breakfast, people will expect a hot meal. So feel free to say no. It is mainly for people who are hosting a room in their main residence where they live, and they're going to make a toast for them in the morning, so they will make another one for the guest. But no one I personally know who owns an entire property and offers breakfast. So feel free to say no. When you say breakfast, people will expect a hot meal. Cereal doesn't count as a breakfast. So even if you're planning to provide cereal, don't even mention it and let it be a surprise to the guest. But in essence, you're not meant to provide any breakfast to the guest if it is an entire property. And the next question you will have is, do you need to clean every day? Answer is no. You can charge a cleaning fee on Airbnb to the guest, and please do not hesitate in charging the cleaning fee, because people traveling on Airbnb are used to paying cleaning fee. Everyone charges a cleaning fee. So whatever it costs you to clean the property every time, pass the cost to the guest. But that cleaning fee is meant to clean only once after the guest leaves. You're not meant to provide any cleaning during the stay. Even if someone is staying there for a couple of months, you are not meant to provide any cleaning. If they need cleaning, this is a self-serviced accommodation. There is everything. You can provide them everything, like a vacuum, a mop, and cleaning supplies. They can help themselves. If they need someone to come and clean the property, they will have to pay for it. But you, as a host, are not meant to provide any cleaning during the stay. If someone is coming for a longer duration, as a courtesy, maybe you can give them some extra towels and sheets so they don't have to worry about washing them and not having anything to use. But apart from that, there is no need for you to technically provide any cleaning during the stay. There is washing facilities. They can help themselves. Or if you don't have washing facilities in the property, you can point them to a laundrette service nearby and they can go and help themselves. But do not hesitate in charging the cleaning fee to the guest, and that cleaning fee is only meant to pay for one cleaning after they leave, nothing in between.